Friends, we are going through the main points of the lesson once again. Introduction, classification of industry, factors affecting the location of industries, industrial system, industrial region, distribution of major industries, iron and steel industry, timeline of iron and steel industries location, Jamshedpur, why Sachi was chosen to set up steel plant, Pittsburgh, why iron and steel industry developed in Pittsburgh, cotton textile industry, Ahmedabad, why textile industry developed in Ahmedabad, Osaka, same one, IT technology, locational advantages of silken plateau of okay, that is not there present in textbook. We want to study only two things. Then introduction. Secondary activities or manufacturing changes raw materials into products of the more value to the people. Example, pulp change into paper and paper into notebook. Then industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods and goods, extraction of minerals or the provision of services. Example, iron and steel industry, production of goods, coal mines industry, extraction of coal, and tourism industry, service provider. Next comes classification of industry according to raw material, according to size, according to ownership. On the base of raw materials, agro based industries, mineral based industries, marine based industries, forest based industry. Agro based industries use plant and animals based products as their raw materials. Example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries. Mineral based industries use mineral ores as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries. Example, iron made from iron ore. Then marine based industries use products from the sea and ocean as a raw material. Example, industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil. Then forest based industries use forest produce as raw materials. Example, pulp and paper, pharmaceuticals, furnitures and building, etc. On the base of size, we refers the amount of the capital invested, the number of people, employees and the volume of the production. Small scale industry use lesser amount of capital that we already discussed up to 1 crore. Then example, cottage and household industries where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans, basket weaving, pottery and other handicraft are the products of cottage industry. Then large scale industries use higher capital in the is higher and superior technology. Example, silk weaving, food processing industries, etc. Then on the base of ownership, we are having 4 divisions. One is private sector industries, second one public sector industries, third one joint sector industries and fourth one cooperative sector industries. Private sector industries owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. Example, Reliance Industries Limited, ITC Limited. Then private sector industries owned and exported by the government. Example, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. Then next one, it is joint sector industries owned and operated by the state and individual or a group of individual. For example, Maruti Udyog Limited. Then next comes cooperative sector industries owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw material, workers or both. Examples, Anand Milk, then Union Limited and Sudha Dairy, etc. Then factors affecting the location of the industry: raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, market and transportation. Sometimes the government provides incentives like subsidized power, lower transport cost and other infrastructure so that industries may locate at the backward areas. Then industry as a system. An industrial system consists of input, process and output. Input includes raw materials, labor, cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. The process includes a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished product. The output are the end of the product and income earned from it. Then industrial region. When a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefit of their closeness, they make an industrial region. Industrial region of the world: Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Industrial regions in India: Mumbai Pune cluster, Bangalore Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad Baroda region, Chota Nagpur and industrial belt, and Visakhapatnam Guntur belt, Goregaon Delhi Meerut region, and Kollam Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. Distribution of major industries: the world major industries are the iron and steel industry, textile industry, and the information technology industry. The iron and steel industry and textile industry are the older industries, while information technology is an emerging industry. Iron and steel industry: this is a feeder industry whose products are used as raw materials for other industries. The input for the industry includes raw materials such as iron, coal and limestone, along with labor, capital, site and other infrastructure. The process of converting iron ore into steel involves many stages. Raw material is put in the blast furnace where undergoes smelting. It is then refined. The output obtained in steel, which may be used for other industries as raw material. Iron and steel industry is often called backbone of modern industry. Daily use tools, ship, trains, trucks and autos are made largely of iron and steel. Features of steel: steel is tough and it can easily be shaped, cut and made into wires. Special alloy of steel can be made by adding small amount of other metals such as aluminum, nickel and copper. Alloys give steel unusual hardness, toughness or ability to resist rust. Timeline of iron and steel industry location: before 1800 AD, iron and steel industry was located where raw material, power supply and running water was easily available. Between 1850 to 1900 AD, the ideal location for the industry was near to the coal field and close to the canal and railways. After 1950, iron and steel industry began to be located in large areas of flat land near seaport, because by this time steel works had become very large and iron ores had to be imported from overseas. Location of iron and steel industry in the world: Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. Location of iron and steel industry in India: Bhilai, that is in Chhattisgarh, Durgapur and Burnpur, that is in West Bengal, Rourkela, that is in Odisha, Bokaro and Jamshedpur, that is in Jharkhand. Other important steel centers: Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem in Tamil Nadu. Then we are going to see Jamshedpur. Before independence, Tata Steel Company Limited (TISCO) was only one of the iron and steel plant in the country which was privately owned. After independence, the government set up several iron and steel plants. TISCO was started in 1907 in Sachi near the confluence of the river Subarnarega and Karkai in Jharkhand. Later on, Sachi was renamed as Jamshedpur. Why Sachi was chosen to set up the steel plant? This place was only 32 kilometers away from Kalimati station of Bengal Nagpur railway line. It was close to iron ore, coal and manganese deposit, as well as Kolkata, which provides a large market. TISCO gets coal from Jaria coal field and iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Then Karkai and the Subarnarega rivers ensures sufficient water supply. Government initiatives provides adequate capital for its later development. Then it is an next one, Pittsburgh. It is an important steel city of United States of America. Why it is in Pittsburgh? It is iron and steel industry developed. The raw materials such as coal is available locally, while the iron ore come from iron mines of Minnesota, about 1,500 kilometers away from Pittsburgh. Between these mines, Pittsburgh and Great Lake Waterway is present, which is one of the world's best route for shipping ore cheaply. Trains carry the ore from the Great Lake to the Pittsburgh area. The Ohio, Monongahela, and Allegheny rivers provides adequate water supply. Today, large steel mills are located in the valley of the Monongahela and Allegheny rivers above Pittsburgh and along with Ohio River below it. Finished steel is transported to the market by both land and water route. Other factories present in Pittsburgh area use steel as the raw material to the market many different products such as railroad equipment, heavy machinery and rails. Then cotton textile industry. The cotton textile industry can be divided on the basis of raw material, that is fiber used in them. Fiber can be two types, man-made and natural. Natural fibers obtained from wool, silk, cotton, linen and jute. Man-made fibers, nylon, polyester, acrylic and rayon. Till the Industrial Revolution, cotton cloth was made using hand spinning techniques, that is wheels and looms. In 18th century, power looms facilitated the development of cotton textile industry, first in Britain, then later spread to other parts of the world. Important producers of cotton textile: India, China, Japan and USA. Before the British rule, India had spun and hand-woven cloth popular worldwide for their quality and design, but the production of hand-woven cotton textile was expensive and time-consuming. However, the traditional cotton textile industry could not face the competition from the new textile mill of the West, which provides cheap and good quality fabrics through mechanized industrial unit. The first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai in 1854. Location of cotton textile industry in India. Initially, this industry flourished in the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat because of the favorable humid climate. But today, humidity can be created artificially, and raw cotton is a pure and not wet losing raw material. So this industry had spread other parts of the country such as Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Pondicherry and Panipat. Then comes Ahmedabad. It located in Gujarat in the banks of Sabarmati river. The first mill was established in 1859 after Mumbai. It soon became the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai, was thereafter often referred as the Manchester of India. Why textile industry developed in Ahmedabad? Ahmedabad is situated very close to a cotton growing area, which ensures easily availability of raw material. The climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. The flat terrain and easily available of land is suitable for the establishment of mills. The densely populated states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both skilled and semi-skilled labor. Well-developed road and railway network permits easy transportation of textile to different parts of the country, thus providing easy access to the market. Mumbai port nearby facilitate import of the machinery and export of cotton textile. But in recent years, Ahmedabad textile mills facing problems. Several textile mills have closed down due to the emergence of new textile centers in the country, as well as the non-upgradation of the machines and technology in the mills of Ahmedabad. Osaka, it is an important textile center of Japan and also known as the Manchester of Japan. Why textile industry developed in Osaka? The extensive plain area around Osaka ensured the land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. Warm, humid climate is well suited to the spinning and weaving. The river Yodor provides sufficient water for mills. Labor is easily available. Location of the port facilitates import of the raw cotton and for exporting textile. The textile industry at Osaka depends upon completely upon important raw materials. Cotton is imported from Egypt, India, China and USA. The finished products is mostly exported and has a good market due to good quality and low price. Recently, the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industries such as iron and steel industry, machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electric equipments and cement, etc. Then one portion it is deleted from textbook now, that is in IT or information technology. That also very helpful for your coming classes, means the 9th and 10th study. The information technology industry deals in the shortage of processing and distribution of information. In this industry has become global due to series of technological, political and socio-economical effects. Major hubs of IT industry of the world: Silicon Valley, California, Bangalore, India. There are other emerging information hubs in metropolitan centers of India such as Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. Other cities such as Guregaon, Pune, Trivandrum, Cochin, Chhattisgarh are also important centers in IT industry. Location and advantage of Silicon Plateau, Bangalore. Bangalore has the largest number of educational institutions and IT colleges in India. The city was considered dust free from the low rents and the low cost of living. The state government of Karnataka was the first to announce IT policy in 1992. The city has the largest and widest availability of skilled managers with work experience. Locational advantage of Silicon Valley, California. It is close to some of the most advanced scientific and technical centers in the world, and pleasant climate with an attractive and clean environment. Plenty of space for development of future expansion. Located close to major roads and airports. Good access to market and skilled workforce. By this we are completing the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.